Is the filter option missing in the WhatsApp video call on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can bring back the filter option on your WhatsApp video call using any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so if the WhatsApp video call filter is missing, the very first thing that you can do, simply go and open up the App Store first and search for WhatsApp here. And once you have searched for WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp here, and if you find any pending update, go ahead and update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. And once you have updated your WhatsApp application, then go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application from your device. And from the home page, go and tap on this settings option at the bottom right here. And then scroll down and tap on privacy. And then scroll down and he'll get to the option allow camera effects. You just need to enable this feature and tap on continue, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and see if the problem is fixed or not. Most likely your problem is going to be solved. If the problem persists, follow the next process. Open up the settings application from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on iPhone stores here, and then simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp here and tap on WhatsApp, tap on Offload app, tap Offload app, and lastly go ahead and tap reinstall app. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from the WhatsApp. This will actually reinstall the WhatsApp on your iPhone, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. And I hope one of this process will fix your problem and you will bring back the filter option on the WhatsApp in your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you up in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.